My father was a moil doing brisson in Germany. After the war, he had a lot of brisson, and he went with a cousin. His cousin was a moil too. They used to travel together. So they were on a train. They were going to some different city to do a bris. Or they were traveling all night. So his cousin Shlomo says to my father, he says, it's before Purim. Make a Shoshanas Yaakov. So this is in a train in Germany, traveling all night, and he's sitting there making the Shoshanas Yaakov. And there was a guy sleeping so in Germany right after the war. So he started yelling at my father, he should be quiet, doesn't let him sleep. And my father told him to be quiet himself. The Germans were scared of the Jews then. After the war, the Jews that were left in Germany that came back, they weren't afraid of death. They didn't take anything from anybody. My father said, you sit down and be quiet and go to sleep. And my father was humming. He wasn't making noise. He was humming. And he made this whole Shoshanas Yaakov at night on the train. This was pre-tape recorder days where everything was made in your head. He didn't write anything down. All my father's compositions were made in his head. All he needed was a sign to start.